Good morning, student. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is verbs. Page number 59. So, in the last year we have learned about verbs, and this year the same topic has been continued but with a little bit more information. So, what is verb? Doing words are known as verbs. They tell us about some action being done. So example, it is look, packed, entered, combed. So these are what we understand from this meaning of the sentence. Doing words means the words which have action, that are known as verbs. So action may be physical or mental. So what is that physical action? So physical action tell us about an action that can be seen. That is, you can say cry, slap. So action this we can see, and the other one is that mental, that tell us about the action that we cannot see. That is, for example, forget, think. So I will explain with this Hindi also. So doing words are known as verbs, जिसमें हम एक्शन होती है वो वर्ड्स को हम वर्ब्स बोलते हैं. अब एक्शन फिजिकल और मेंटल, फिजिकल यानी शारीरिक. तो जैसे दैट टेल अस अबाउट एन एक्शन टू बी सीन, जो हम देख सकते हैं एक्शन, वो एग्जांपल हम ले रहे हैं वो है क्राई, क्राई यानी रोना, और स्लैप, अगर हमने किसी को थप्पड़ मारा है तो वो दिखता है, तो दैट इज़ एन एक्शन. और मेंटल, जो हम एक्शन नहीं देख सकते, जैसे भूलना, फॉरगेट इज भूलना, और थिंक सोचना एग्जाम्पल है. तो जो थिंक, व्हेन वी आर थिंकिंग वी कैन नॉट see that, but still that action is going on. So in this way we knew about the verb with a definition. So here a complete sentence is made up of and subject and predicate. So what is a subject made? It is made up of subject and predicate, that we have learned in our last topic. The main word is a word in a predicate is a verb. So a verb is a main word in the predicate. Verbs perform different functions. So some functions are done by the verb. What are they? They show the action of the subject. Some verbs link the subject to the noun or adjective in the predicate. So this is the work that verb does in the sentence. Some verbs also work as a helping verb with the verbs. So action words or action tell what the subject of a a sentence does. Action can be physical or mental. Yes, it can be a physical or mental, and that depends upon the word for which we are studying. Though just we will go through the poem, that will be more clear for you. Just I am going to read out and explain you what is there in this poem. So let us read this poem. Manish Mahendra Menon woke up late, brushed his teeth, comb his hair, made them straight. So Manish Mahendra Menon. So who is the boy here? That is Manish. His full name is Manish Mahendra Menon. So he is just a boy as you are, and he is also getting ready for the school. So what activities you have to do for from morning till you go for school, that is there in this poem. So what did he does? He woke up late. So he for going school he woke up late. He brushed his teeth. Then he brushed his teeth. Comb his hair, made them straight. So when we are combing our hair, for after that what happens? The hair which we have combed, from curly to straight they are there. So this is the happens with this boy. Second paragraph. Manish Mahendra Menon took his bath, packed his bag, put on his uniform, looked down the path. So he took his bath. What happened next? He took his bath. Then he packed his bag, put on his uniform. He has dressed up his uniform for going to school. Looked down the path. Path means to the road. He looked down there, and Manish Mahendra Menon got into his school bus. So the school bus came and he was ready to enter in the school bus. And where he went? Went to school. Entered his class, sat without a फज। फज यानी गड़बड़ गोंधड़, जो हम मराठी में बोलते हैं ना, बहुत गड़बड़ गड़बड़ होते, वैसा। सेट विदाउट, उसके साथ कोई गड़बड़ नहीं, एकदम शांति से वो स्कूल के लिए तैयार होके गया। सो मेनी थिंग्स ही डिड। लिटिल मनीष महेंद्र मेनन। सो दिस इज द पोएम ऑफ द बॉय who is going for school and getting up ready. So what you can see in this poem, some words that are pink in color. So this pink color words are your verbs. So just read out that verbs, what are there in pink color. Woke, brush, comb, made, took, packed, put, looked, got, went, entered, sat, did. So what is there? What is common to all the words in pink? So it is a question. What is common? Yes, they are all doing words. So what we can understand with this word? They are all doing. Doing means some action is there. So action. Woke means you are getting up. Brushing, you are brushing your teeth. Comb means you have to comb your hair. Made them straight. Took, taking bath. Pack, so packing the bag. So these are all the pink color words that tell you about an action. So definition here it is, doing words are known as verb. They tell us about some action being done. Example, look, packed, entered, comb. So this word tell about some actions what are going. Now try reading the poem without the words in pink. It doesn't make sense. So the same poem we will read, but we are not going to read it with the pink color. Just we are going to read without that pink color words. So up late, his teeth, his hair, them straight. So we don't get a complete sentence and we don't get the meaning of the sentence without the verb. So it is an incomplete. So the his bath, his bag, on his uniform, down the path. Again here also we cannot understand what the sentence want to tell you. So a word is an important verb in the sentence. So moving over towards the next page, that is page number 60. Did you know you cannot have a sentence without a verb? So there is not any sentence without a verb. A verb is the most important part of the sentence. What is that? That is, verb is again an important part, and without verb the sentence is incomplete. So in this way we can understand what is the importance of verb in the sentence. Hope you have understood this clearly, what is a verb. So we are going to continue with our exercise in the next period. Thank you.